Alrighty, no gaps.
Zenith Aircraft Company is making the process of building your own airplane more accessible than ever. During our 2-day factory workshop in Mexico, Missouri, you'll get hands-on experience building the rudder of your Zenith aircraft. You'll learn how to understand aircraft blueprints, work with sheet metal, part assembly, measuring, drilling, and riveting, what tools you'll need, and the skills to use them, and much more. The best part is that you don't need any prior experience, skills, or tools to attend. We take care of that for you so you can focus on learning. Apart from building your rudder, you'll also get a first-hand look at the Zenith factory. This will help you understand the process that goes into designing and creating some of the most capable experimental airplanes ever built. Space is limited, so don't wait to sign up. Visit zenithair.net to see our next workshop dates and secure your spot. Until then, blue skies and tailwinds.